Well, ever since naman nag-start ako sa showbiz, I've been trying to do YouTube or vlogging, ganun. But parang never siyang tama. Binalikan ko nung time na yun nga, yung sister ko, tinanong ako kung gusto ko i-revive yung YouTube ko. Sabi ko, paano ba natin to ma-achieve? Paano ko ma-achieve yung goal ko or yung dream ko? So, kaya nabuo ang behind the scenes. Talaga nag-collab kami dahil kunento ko sa kanila kung ano yung gusto kong ma-achieve. So, yung behind the scenes, gaya ko siya ginawa dahil matagal ko na talagang gustong mag-host ulit. And I was given a chance 18 years ago. So, ngayon, tinutupad ko lang ulit yung dream ko of having my own show and becoming a host 18 years after.
I love my mother, I love my mother.
My mom's episode would be yung hirap na pinagdaanan niya sa relationship nila ni Dad. Ang sarap lang din na being able to have a deep conversation with my mom and finding out what she went through during her teenage years. Kahit bago ko pa siya i-guest sa show, na-touch niya na ako eh. So I know na yung kwento niya matatouch yung mga viewers ko. But I did not expect na yung impact would be that strong. Tagal namin di nagkita. Matagal na kaming friends. Pero yung transformation ng tao, parang nagkaroon ako ng proud moment as a friend. My favorite moment, of course, one would be nung pinaalala niya sa akin na she will always be my best friend. Alam mo yung wake up call from God na it's also important to have a relationship with God, not only individually but family. It's important na maging foundation natin. Isa rin talaga yan sa nag-inspire sa akin kasi parang more of na highlight yung love. Kapag yung tamang tao ay para sa'yo, kahit anong mangyari, babalik at babalik yan. Talaga naging instant mom siya, sabi niya. Na-inspire niya ako kasi nakita ko kung paano niya binuhay yung anak niya. Bilang isang fanay, nakita ko nga siya mula nung 19 siya, mula nagsimula siyang PBB and now having her own family and having 2 beautiful children. Sa lahat po ng mga sumuporta at sumubaybay sa Behind the Scenes with Ina mula sa simula, maraming salamat.
I owe so much to you and so I celebrate you. Your mind and beauty, celebrate you. Your life and story, celebrate you. You'll always be the queen of my heart.